Hi, this is Mike Gould with Forex Winners Academy, and thanks for watching. Hey, today I want to go over some frequently asked questions I get a lot from new students that are looking to take our class, and I thought I'd put that out there on YouTube. And so one of the first questions I get is how soon would you expect someone with zero Forex and zero day trading experience to be able to trade? Well, first off, demo trading, we start you off right away with a demo account. So very first day, you're getting experience and getting your hands on with a demo trading account. Okay, and then as far as live trading, once you're comfortable, that really varies. Some folks with some experience, it's a matter of weeks, and folks with zero experience, I recommend about 3 months of demo trading, consistently making money on your demo account, and then you can go live. That's how I would recommend that situation. What times are your 3 times weekly webinars, the live trading rooms? It's Tuesday and Wednesday morning, 8:30 a.m. Central Time, and then Thursday evening as far as a wrap-up at 8:45 p.m. Okay. Also on Sunday mornings, I put out a bias report, which is what to expect in the upcoming week. So I send that out to all of my current students. And this next question comes in as, is your method scalable? Okay, would your strategies work equally well for someone with an account of $2,000 versus $200,000? That's absolutely correct. It is scalable, and we teach you money management skills so you know what size trade you should be doing, whether your account is $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, $500,000, it doesn't really matter. But that doesn't mean you're risking your entire account. Okay, so on a $10,000 trade account, it's a risk reward of $1 per pip. So on a $10,000 account, you're going to be making a $10,000 trade, which is $1 per pip. On a 100 pip move, on let's say the euro dollar pair, that's a $100 movement in the account, positive or negative. Okay, so we teach the strategy of using a lot of high probability base hits, not swinging for the fences all of the time. So it's very, very conservative. You mentioned a ROI of 40 to 100%. Would that be realistic? And how quickly could I make up the tuition fee? Okay, yeah, 40 to 100% is very realistic. I've got students that make 40 to 120%. Even on the first year, that's relatively not so much on the first year, but after a couple of years, very easily. Many students that have never traded before make 60, 80, 100% per year. Absolutely, it's very realistic. Another question comes in is the guarantee. Yes, our tuition is guaranteed, absolutely 100%. And the guarantee basically is that you're going to make 5% in 90 days of live trading, so long as you follow the methodology that we teach and you attend the webinars. Okay, most students go well beyond 5% in 90 days, and 5% in 90 days comes out to 20% per year. Most all of my students do well beyond that. Okay, so I know that our school is one of the very few that offer a guarantee on the tuition. So it's a tuition money-back guarantee. It's a success guarantee. So that's very important to recognize. I mentioned earlier that I'm moving to Denver. Do you see this as a negatively impacting my progress? Not at all. You know, you're in the Mountain Standard Time. It's fine. You know, the Forex market is 24/6. And I don't stare at the screens. I don't teach people to stare at the screens all day, all night. 24 hours a day. You really just want to check in on it every once in a while, and with mobile apps, you can take a look at what's going on with your trade. Set it and forget it is really the methodology that I teach. You look at the 30-minute charts on most of our strategies, especially support resistance, and you plan the trade and trade the plan. So if all goes well, I like to make a career. I realize it may take some years. Is this a realistic goal? So this person wants to make a career out of trading Forex. Absolutely. Most of all my students, they start out with a part-time job or a full-time job, whatever, and then they transition into trading Forex full-time because of how flexible it is and how much money you can actually make. Once you build up a sizable nest egg, you're not going to want to go back to your 9 to 5, $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 a year job with all the stress, And I call trading Forex the business of no. It's no boss, no customers, no selling, no commute, no stress. It's really the business of no. And when you think about it, it's a no-brainer. So that's really the great thing about trading Forex. You can do it from home, part-time. You get to spend a lot of time with your family. So it's really, really tremendous. Will I be able to use the skills I learn from your class in other markets like stocks and options? No, not at all. Stocks and options are very different animals, and stocks and options are extremely volatile. Options expire to a value of 0. And stocks are extremely, extremely volatile, and they are highly manipulated by market makers, big money market makers. So you really cannot transfer the skills into stocks and options. Forex trades 4 trillion every day, and there's no single individual entity or bank or country that can manipulate the currency market. It's just too large. It's not possible. So that's a great thing about currency. It's a true marketplace. It's pure. It's not manipulated. I hope this helps. Remember our 90-day tuition guarantee, and check us out on Forex Peace Army. We have great reviews. Take a look at what some of the other students are asking and some of their comments along with their performance ratings that they post on Forex Peace Army. Thank you. Have a great day.